Hey everyone, if you guys are super new to building PCs, this video is for you. I'll walk you through a common mistake that many beginners make and how to fix it. If you already know about this, feel free to skip this video. This is just here to help those who need it. Let's jump in. So, here's what happened. You build your PC, triple check all the connections, power it on, and no signal on the monitor. The screen stays completely black. At first, it might seem like a big problem or even a faulty component. But guess what? The fix is often super simple. Many beginners forget to plug the HDMI cable into the graphics card instead of the motherboard. Here's the deal. If you've installed a dedicated graphics card in your system, most motherboards automatically disable their built-in display output. So plugging your monitor into the motherboard's HDMI port won't work. You need to connect it directly to the HDMI or display port on your graphics card. Unplug the HDMI cable from the motherboard and plug it into the correct port on your graphics card. Now turn your PC back on, and there you go, problem solved. The monitor now displays the BIOS screen, or if you've already installed your OS, you'll see it booting up. So that's how you can fix the black screen issue on a new PC build. I hope this video helps you avoid this common mistake. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly PC building tips.